Good afternoon, all. And I'm going to take a problem statements and then I'll solve the above statements. Now, problem statement is to design a smart flood detection systems that utilize a sensor and data analytics to give early precautions regarding the floods based on its damage level of in dams, rivers in the large scale, which can be execute the safety of the common public. Based upon the flood detection, so this is the problem statements I'm going to derive. To design a smart flood detection system that utilize sensors and data analytics to give early precautions regarding the flood based on its damaged level in dams and rivers in large scales, which can ensure the safety of the common publics. I'm going to abstract here. The main idea is to alerting the public and government regarding the upcoming flood. By this, we can ensure the safety of the public by developing an effective and chip IoT based system with the required sensor. My abstract is an main idea is to alerting the public and government regarding the upcoming flood. By this, we can ensure the safety of public by developing an effective and cheap IoT based system with the required sensor. These are the lecture survey will be literature survey will be happening here. The title with the review of flood detection systems, GSM tool will be used, and then future work will be the global availability, and the next lecture of next lecture series lecture survey, the classification of flood levels, smartphone sensor data, local base stations, and then next paper, flood forecast, anomaly detection based on it, depth studies, and then automation process, and then next paper, the complete flood levels, SARGPS using as an AI. Existing projects careless about the upcoming flood cannot detect the intensity of the upcoming floods, no accurate detections of flood before the deadline, and not using the latest technology concepts, public are not having the awareness. Existing projects, existing ideas careless about the upcoming flood cannot detect the intensity of the upcoming flood, no accurate detections of flood before the deadline, not using the latest technology concept, public are not having an awareness. Now we are going, now proposed systems are use of IoT sensor for accurate flood detection, use of IoT sensor for accurate flood detection, detection of an intensity of upcoming flood, detection and alerting the public before the deadline, awareness towards the public, detect the flood prone areas and tells the nearby safe locations. Use the proposed solutions are use of IoT sensor for accurate flood detection, detection of the intensity of upcoming flood, detection and alerting the public before the deadlines, awareness towards the public, detect the flood prone areas and tell the nearby safe location. This we are having an idea here. The IoT sensor are used to detect the accurate intensity and precautions regarding the flood. Ultrasonic sounds and flood sensor use ultrasonic waves and magnetic waves to accurately sense the upcoming floods. This detection happens before the deadline so that the public can have time to vacate. This detection is to inform to the corresponding rescue teams on time, and hence they will arrive to prevent any serious damage. Public get the information regarding this flood so that they can have aware and acknowledge about the safeguarding themselves from any kind of floods. This method is monitoring regularly for any modification and service and check up to improve its efficiency. Block diagram. If you are having a flood, the ultrasonic sound should be ultrasonic sound and flood sensor. Ultrasonic sensor and flood sensor will be detected with flood detection by rescue team, and then we are going to article the publics. Components use requirements: ESP 8 to 866, a GSM module, ultrasonic sensor, float sensors, LCD displays, 0 PCB, 5V power supplies. These are the circuit we are using here to alerting the public. This model provides an alternative for traditional satellite imaging detection. It acts as a model which detect the intensity and saves common public people life. In the future, we have to decided to bring in the use of artificial intelligence for spreading data connections. We have also planned to make global product. Thank you.